This is you. Nah, just kidding, that's me. But this is what you want to look like. Except probably not so pasty white, and I have no idea what I was thinking with that bleached hair of mine. Gosh, Kristen.
So I'm gonna tell you exactly how to lose body fat and maintain muscle.
Eat 5 small meals a day.
Great.
Actually, don't do that, because snacking's bad.
Wait, what?
Make sure to run every single day.
Got it.
Don't do that, because it's bad for your blood pressure and joints.
Wait, then why?
Make sure to get a full night's rest.
Okay.
Never mind, you need to be up and active, you lazy fuck. Make sure to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Except potatoes, corns, and beans because of carbs.
Oh.
Fruit is obviously good for you, but it's also sugary, so it's bad.
I thought it was a natural sugar.
Yes, sugar is a vital source of quick burning carbs that your brain needs to survive, and you should avoid it at all costs.
That makes absolutely no sense.
Make sure you're running outside to get vitamin D. And also don't, because you're gonna get skin cancer.
Okay, why are you here?
Remember to hydrate.
Why?
Spit that out! It has fluoride and will kill you.
You know what, you're really annoying.
You always need protein, so eat fish. Don't eat that! Fish has too much mercury and will kill you. Make sure to lift heavy weights to build lean muscle. And actually don't, because lifting weights will strain yourself and you'll die.
Oh my god.
Go vegan. Start juicing. Drink shakes. Eat your bird. Go paleo. Keto.
Stop!
You know what? You should just be yourself.
Okay. So, yeah. That's pretty much how I feel whenever I Google something on the internet. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so I do feel like I owe some kind of an explanation. So I would say the easiest thing to do if you're watching this and you're overweight is, as far as any liquid consumption, only drink water. I went from sweet tea to regular tea, and just by doing that, I lost about 10 pounds in probably like a month and a half. And then I took it a step further and further, and now I'm running 6 miles once a week and lifting weights and stuff. So yeah. So as far as figuring out what kind of videos I want to do, I decided I'm going to do storytime videos, comedy videos, and sprite videos. I'll probably put a playlist together. You do this every video. No. Bad bird. Right, laters.